Introducing the B-IRON, the next generation of soldering irons from JBC. It's a true pioneer, the first of its kind in the JBC product range, and it's here to revolutionize your soldering experience. In fact, the B-IRON maintains the market's leading thermal efficiency, exclusive to JBC, but this time with the freedom to move around. With the ability to perform up to 500 solder joints, the B-IRON features a short grip to tip distance, allowing you to work with unparalleled accuracy and precision. And guess what? You can track and manage all your soldering tasks, as well as adjust a great variety of adjustments for your unique soldering performance right from any of your personal devices. You can download the app from the Play Store and the App Store. For added convenience and safety, the B-IRON comes with a tap that halts the heating system, ensuring a secure and worry-free transportation experience. When you purchase the B-IRON with our expansion toolkit, you open up a world of possibilities. This soldering station can support up to 2 different tools simultaneously, so you will never run out of battery. For more information about the groundbreaking B-IRON, visit us at jbctools.com.